Can I help you?
Yeah, oh, thank you.
Oh, you are Rocky?
No, I am Ridoy.
Oh, Ridoy. Is Reday?
No, it's
Oh,
Ridoy.
why?
Ridoy.
Oh.
What's your name?
My name is Anamul Haq.
Oh, nice name.
Oh,
Mm, ho- how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, great.
Oh.
How are you from?
Oh, my.
What's you from?
My from.
How are you from?
My from Maimansingh. Maimansingh is a very nice district. Maimansingh is favorite person, John Al Abidin, and
Oh.
favorite place, John Al Abidin Park, and favorite museums, sociologists,
Oh, nice.
and you.
I'm from Shariatpur. Shariatpur, yes.
Yes.
Big people name is Haji Shariatullah. She is famous scholarship and Islamic Bokta
Yes.
named Abdul Khalid Shariatpuri. His vocal nice.
Yes.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a student. And you?
I'm a student.
Oh, your favorite drinks?
I favorite drinks coconut water and pineapple juice.
Yes.
Your favorite player names?
Oh, my favorite player is Sakib Al Hasan.
Oh, right.
I like cricket, but
Oh.
I dislike football.
I dislike football.
Oh.
Your favorite person name?
Oh,
friend?
my favorite person, my mom and dad.
Oh.
Your favorite person?
My favorite person name mom.
Oh, your future plan?
My favorite plan successful architect.
Oh,
Your favorite fruit?
oh, my favorite fruit, mango.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Your favorite travelings you enjoy
Yes,
this place?
my favorite travel place is Cox's Bazar. And you?
So, I favorite place traveling Kuakata.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you again.
See you again.